Hi guys, this is Brito. In this video, we are about to discuss a topic prefixes and suffixes, and additionally, we are about to learn base words. Okay, let's get into the session. Already, we have discussed about the importance of learning new vocabularies in the communication skills. Prefixes and suffixes will give you the chance to learn more vocabularies with the help of base words. First, let we discuss about the base words. A base word is a word in its simplest form. A base word has nothing added to it. Here I have given you certain examples: do, heat, write, read, pack. These are some base words. If we add some prefixes or suffixes to it, we will get a new word. For example, here we have do. If we add a prefix to it, it will become redo or undo. If we add suffix to it, we can make it as doing or does. Likewise, write. If we add prefix to it, rewrite. If we add suffix to it, writing. Like read, reread, or reading. Pack, packing. Okay. The simplest form of a word is called base word. Here I have given you certain exercises. Write the base words. Here the words are in multiple forms like prefix or suffix. Find the base word. Next, we are about to discuss prefix. Prefixes are added to the beginning of a base word. They change the meaning of the base word. Okay, already the word prefixes. Pre in the sense before. Here I have given you two examples. Actually, in these two examples, happy and do are base words. And when we add un prefix to it, it became unhappy. And adding prefixes to do, it became redo. The meaning of the base word will change, because happy in the sense it denotes a positive thing, and unhappy in the sense it is a negative thing. And here I have given you certain words, prefix words: dis, re, in, miss, sub, ill, auto, super, inter, and anti. The next topic we are about to discuss is suffixes. Suffixes are added to the end of a base word. They change the meaning of the base word. Already we discussed about prefix. Prefix is adding to the beginning of the base word, and suffixes are added to the end of a base word. Here I have given you certain examples. Wonder plus full equal to wonderful. Rest plus full equal to restful. In these examples, wonder and rest are base word. When we added suffixes to the base word, it became wonderful and restful. Here I have given you certain examples for suffixes. Li, meant, less, ness and full. Here I have given you simple exercise. Complete the table below by adding a suffix or a prefix to each word to make a new word. Uh, try it by your own, and you will get more ideas about prefixes and suffixes.